Nootka Marine Adventures is now the largest resort operator on the west coast of Vancouver Island with 3 luxury resorts, the drive-to Moocha Bay Resort and the all-inclusive floating lodges Nootka Sound Resort and Newton Cove Resort, all lodges situated close to some of the best fishing grounds found anywhere on the west coast of Vancouver Island. Each resort offers unparalleled 5-star service with fully guided sport fishing. Nootka Marine Adventures, crafting your west coast wilderness experience. Albacore tuna fishing is definitely one of the hottest bites off the west coast of Vancouver Island, and Newton Cove Resort has, in my opinion, the best base to wait the weather to get out there to pursue albacore tuna.
Drill him, hit him. I got him. We're locked up. It's tuna time. Unbelievable. Nootka Marine Adventures. Captain Jabron White. 5 minutes, we're in a tuna. Well, that's gold and 5,000 feet of water.
See him yet?
Oh yeah, I can see him. He's giving her though. Got the leader, Captain. Good looking fish.
Is that not the coolest thing you've ever done in BC?
That is the coolest thing, baby. Look at the size of the eyes on him. Wow. Whoa! Captain Jabron White, Nootka Marine Adventures. Is there anything this bad boy can't do, huh?
Albacore tuna.
Snap! It's 80 pounds, Suffix 832 braid. That is doing a heck of a job. Oh, there he is, all lit up. All right. Oh. Wowee. Big albacore on the west coast of Vancouver Island, Newton Cove Resort. One of Nootka Marine Adventures' newest resorts, man. This is really exciting, man. I didn't think it was gonna just be this fast, and you know, and all of a sudden here we are.
Well done, buddy.
Awesome. Well, this is a better fish. Oh my, I can't believe it. Ron, I can't get tired of looking at them. Oh my goodness.
There we go. That's what we're looking for, buddy.
Jabron White, you've got to get on this guy's boat, man. Look, that is just huge, man. Wow. Beautiful job, Jabron. Beautiful job. See what we're using on that? The Zuker, all rigged up just like we showed you.
And fresh albacore tuna.
Bam. This is so exciting. I can't believe we're in 8,000 feet of water.
Yes, we are. This thing bled all the way to my bedroom.
Yeah. Well, we're going to be eating them anyway. Sashimi. Nope, I'm on.
You're on. You're on.
Hey, bye-bye. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, how
Got
is
him,
this
Mark?
for fun? Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, let me get that
Guy's
other
still
Zuker
screaming
out
here.
first.
Big tuna bullets. I think this is another big monster like
good
that
one?
last albacore. Yeah.
Got some weight to him?
Yeah, it's like that last one. Oh yeah. piggies, eh?
Oh, they're piggies.
Awesome job, Captain. Awesome job. Zucker one up.
Zucchini Zucker. Hits him again. My favorite one.
Well, we're on the surface today.
Oh, it is the Mexican. Sorry. Good scrapper, this one, Mark. It's 50 feet under the boat. Good.
Good looking fish.
Go. You got it.
There it is, the Mexican hat. Big, beautiful albacore tuna like that. Wow. Unbelievable. Into the cooler?
Into the cooler, bud. We gotta cut them too.
All right.
Newton Cove Resort is a 5-star operation that meets all of my requirements for recommendation as the top lodge we have visited on the west coast of Vancouver Island in the last 20 years. I would like to thank the staff and management of Newton Cove Resort for an exceptional stay and look forward to visiting this resort again in the future. It is truly one of the best of the West. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Pendleton. I'll see you next week. Nootka Marine Adventures is now the largest resort operator on the west coast of Vancouver Island with 3 luxury resorts, the Drive to Mootka Bay Resort and the all-inclusive floating lodges Nootka Sound Resort and Newton Cove Resort. All lodges situated close to some of the best fishing grounds found anywhere on the west coast of Vancouver Island. Each resort offers unparalleled 5-star service with fully guided sport fishing. Nootka Marine Adventures, crafting your West Coast wilderness experience. On this edition of West Coast Sporting Journal, I'll be heading to Mootka Bay Resort on the west coast of Vancouver Island, about a 1-hour drive from Gold River, British Columbia, in search of the early season run of chrome bright hatchery Chinook that are migrating past Nootka Sound en route to their home rivers in Puget Sound, the Columbia River, and Washington coastal river systems in June each year. On today's show, I'll be with professional guide Jabron White, covering techniques and strategies for chrome bullet Chinook, utilizing Lure Jensen flash flies and UV bright coyote flashers at Beano Creek.
What do we got here, Jerry?
Ripper.
I still can't get my glasses back on my head. Oh man, I love big fish. What's going on here?
He's angry. He's angry.
This is a good fish, Jerry.
That's a good fish, buddy.
I can feel the weight on him.
Yeah.
Really.
Oh, he hammered it hard, dude.
Come on, girl. Come on.
I'll have to pick up some line here. That was a hell of a good run. These fish have been just taking one long run, right? And then kind of sulking. What a beauty fish.
Flash flies. Unbelievable.
Flash flies, US bound fish.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep this one for the barbecue.
That's a barbecue fish. All right.
Good job.
Oh boy, she sings.
Good boy, Mark.
So you've been working these flash flies for a couple of years, and I want to share with the viewers exactly how you're rigging them, how we're using these Coyote 3 flashers to get these early season fish.
Absolutely. Yeah, we'll show you exactly what we're doing, Mark. That's a better fish. That's a nice fish. That's
What a
nice fish.
perfect day to fish salmon.
That is a nice fish.
Well, that's 2 on the purple UV bright Lure Jensen Coyote 3 flasher on that UV bright white flash fly. Smoking. Unbelievable.
How many fish have we caught together?
More than 2. Good looking fish. All right. Oh. That one's going on the barbecue. Unbelievably gorgeous fish here. It's a super bright chrome fish, Columbia run that passed by Nootka Sound. Yes. Now we're talking. Love it.
Oh, nice. Another nice, huge fish. This is a nice fish. This is our biggest one.
Look at that absolute behemoth. Not bad for a June fish.
Well, it's not bad when we have this whole place all to ourselves and nobody's here.
Yeah, here he goes. There you go.
I hope you've enjoyed this edition of West Coast Sporting Journal for early season strategies for chrome bright Chinook and a look at the world-class Moocha Bay Resort. I'd like to thank the incredible staff and management in Moocha Bay that make this resort one of the best fishing resorts found anywhere on the west coast of Vancouver Island. This resort truly offers more accommodation choices than any lodge I have visited in 20 years for the adventure travel angler, from yurts, oceanside camping, to the 5-star luxury resort accommodations that are perfect for single travelers to large corporate groups. Moocha Bay Resort is located, in my opinion, in one of the top locations for big Chinook you'll find anywhere in British Columbia, not only for the millions of hatchery Chinook that pass by this area each year, but the resort is also located at the estuary of the Canooma River in Nootka Sound, home to some of the largest hatchery Chinook found anywhere in British Columbia. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Pendleton. I'll see you next week for another edition of West Coast Sporting Journal. Nootka Marine Adventures is now the largest resort operator on the west coast of Vancouver Island with 3 luxury resorts, the drive-to Moocha Bay Resort and the all-inclusive floating lodges Nootka Sound Resort and Newton Cove Resort, all lodges situated close to some of the best fishing grounds found anywhere on the west coast of Vancouver Island. Each resort offers unparalleled 5-star service with fully guided sport fishing. Nootka Marine Adventures, crafting your west coast wilderness experience.
We're fishing flashers, anchovies for these big fish that are staging in Nootka Sound, heading up the Canooma River. Just like that.
Tweak.
Get a nice little spin on it. And it's an extremely unique fishery. There's very few in British Columbia that has the flat, calm water and the big fish in salt water. So it's a true inshore, almost like a lake. So we're going to see if we can get some of these big Canooma Thais on this edition of West Coast Sporting Journal. Oh, nice fish too. Nice fish.
Come over me.
That Chinook was following that for a while.
This is a good one.
Still over there.
This is a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one, Jabron. Nice fish.
Just holding down. Morning sun, just finished our coffee. There he is.
Yeah, this one's in the bag.
Okay, this is a nice fish. Got some big shoulders, big fish. Okay, put them in the same bag. Ready?
Ooh, that's a good fish. You saw
I mean,
what
I got a
just
good
did.
fight out of him. You don't have to bonk him in the head and make him run again.
Is there anything you don't see? Like, you can't give me like a fraction of a.
Or you can smell it.
Yeah. Never mind, I got nothing. That really does make them angry when they're over 30.
Yeah. Oh. That's a nice fish.
Two in the bag.
2 in one bag. All right. Wow.
Nootka Sound, Nootka Marine Adventures, unbelievable. We're gonna be fishing for these big Kanumatais today. Just gorgeous, man.
What a nice fish.
Let's get that one back in the swim.
Let's do it. There he is.
All right, you just hooked up.
Yep, I'm hooked up. Where are we?
I'm over.
There we go.
All right.
Another double mark.
Oh, nice. He got bit bringing it up.
Well, I knew what I was doing.
Oh, man.
Oh, that's a nice fish you got there. Both nice fish. This is a nice one too.
Oh, man, they are hard to hold.
That was a nice fish.
Where are you? Oh, yeah, nice fish.
Nice fish.
Nice big bronze back. That water temperature must have come down a little.
Got him. Drop it. Right on.
Right on, man. Wow, what a day.
Wait till you hold this pig up.
We'll hold this one up and we'll show you exactly what we're doing to make these big fish happen. All right. Nootka Marine Adventures. Big Chinook like that. Absolutely phenomenal. I'd like to thank Captain Jabron White. He knows where these big bad boys live. And this is an absolute monster. I'm betting that's 36, 37. Right
Right up there. Yep. Big fat doe. Do I have to eat a little crow?
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I've never in my life seen a more floppied up, screwed up anchovy roll. And I swear.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I swear
We were
that
just having the discussion
I
on the
swear
roll
that
of the
no-
anchovy.
I swear that no fish would ever bite that, and here we are.
Left side. Boom. Yeah.
Nice fish. Yeah.
Jabron, you know why I like that roll? Where it's just a little looser.
Yeah.
Big fish are lazy.
Just like people.
You know it. They don't want to chase that tight little spin.
I do believe I got hit on my tight little spin side first, but it's a very nice fish, Mark. Really nice fish.
Oh my goodness. Holy mother, welcome to Nootka Sound.
Big shoulders on him too.
Yeah.
Nice
Look
buck.
at that. Good looking all the way to the bank.
Yeah.
We'll get a couple more of these. Here we go. Here we go.
Drop it. That is a chunky fish, my friend.
All right. Now you're keeping a couple barbecue fish today?
Yeah, we're gonna take a few for the barbecue.
All right.
And this is a really nice fish, Mark.
But when you're enjoying that on your barbecue, just remember what roll that came off. Left side, baby. Left side.
Probably gonna have to have a couple of glasses of wine or beers before.
Oh,
Nice fish, bud.
okay. That is a nice fish, Jabron.
Beautiful fish, Mark. Well done.
All right.
Let's put them in the box and get another one.
Incredible techniques today. Big fish like this. I'd like to thank Nootka Marine Adventures and Captain Jabron White, as usual, for coming to Nootka Sound and always putting us in a beautiful fish when we film programs here.
Nootka Marine Adventures is now the largest resort operator on the west coast of Vancouver Island with 3 luxury resorts, the Drive to Mootka Bay Resort and the all-inclusive floating lodges, Nootka Sound Resort and Newton Cove Resort. All lodges situated close to some of the best fishing grounds found anywhere on the west coast of Vancouver Island. Each resort offers unparalleled 5-star service with fully guided sport fishing. Nootka Marine Adventures, crafting your west coast wilderness experience.
Now this seems to be a decent fish, Mark.
It's definitely acting the way I love it. I love big fish.
Yeah. I would play him even harder. I'm not kidding you.
That's unbelievable. That's a 10'6" Power 2 graphite. I mean, it is a meat stick. And you're wanting me to play it harder.
Yep, I do. Well, put that away now. You guys gonna put 2 more and talk to you. We're playing a good one right now.
Look at the speed and the power of this Chinook. Oh yeah. I just love it with that engine turned off, man.
Is he straight down or do I gotta flash up more and get off?
He's straight down.
This is a really nice fish.
Look at that rod torque.
That's what I want to see all the time.
I've seen 30s and 35s that don't torque it like that. Classic C-bend in a moderate fast rod. Unbelievable.
This is going to be a nice one to hold up.
Boy, did that peel some line, man. 200 yards on that.
You really kicked them off, Mark.
I think I did. Stay with me here. What do we got going?
Oh, baby. Nice.
2 high fibers on that one, man.
You see that net job?
Oh, you're hired. I like it. But there's a retention fishery, U.S. bound fish, hatchery fish. They're heading back. About 1 million of them head back from this area every year, from the Aleutians all the way down past the west coast. And these big beauties are what you're looking for. You're allowed 2 fish each. And let's show
Little coyote spoon, 3.5 inch. Half blue, half silver. It's been a knockout punch for us today. Get it.
Yeah, he's on.
He's on?
He's got weight too.
Yeah, there it is.
Hit him again. Oh,
We're on again here, Sam.
all right. This one's got weight. It's so nice with the flasher to have the weight just to keep that rod torqued. Oh, hey, this is good weight, G.
Yeah, keep your rod up, buddy. Keep good bend in that thing right there. Let me see it. I want to see it.
Ooh, they're definitely getting that single sidewash. And you're just circling back on that bait?
Stand right on top of that bait. And that is our hot spoon again.
It's hard to believe these big fish can be so choosy and specific as to what they want. But I'll tell you, I'm a believer.
Yeah, another nice fish. He's probably gonna take off again. I don't think he likes the boat.
I got the drag just locked up too.
Oh, wow.
Nice fish. Welcome to the west coast of Vancouver Island, Newton Cove Resort. Wonder if we can bag him before he knows what happened.
See those old football reflexes come back?
I didn't know you play football.
Yeah. Drop it, drop it. This boat did it again.
Fishing is a contact sport.
Apparently, this is another beautiful fish.
Wow, I gotta back off the drag. I gotta take 3 seconds just to think about it.
Good job, man.
Oh, another beautiful fish. Unbelievable. Big Chinook salmon, chrome bright. Man, these techniques really work to produce fish.
Well, we worked hard for him today, and we made a move that paid off for us.
Well, in probably one of the toughest summers I've known in 20 years, to be able to be on fish, incredible. And to get them on camera and show you exactly what we're doing. Newton Cove Resort. Wow, Vancouver Island. Well, I hope you've enjoyed these techniques for tough condition, big Chinook, this retention fishery on the outside of the west coast of Vancouver Island. I'd like to thank Newton Cove Resort for having us in Esperanza Inlet and Captain Gibran White, as usual.
I hope you enjoyed today's show on tough condition offshore strategies and techniques for big Chinook with professional guide Gibran White. The exacting strategies utilized on today's show will make bigger fish happen more often the next time you're looking for big, chrome bright offshore Chinook. I would like to thank the staff and management at Newton Cove Resort for another outstanding stay and opportunity to chase these big offshore Chinook. I can't say enough about this resort on the west side of Vancouver Island with its proximity to big Chinook and tuna, 5-star service, facilities and accommodations. It truly is one of the best of the West. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Pendleton. I'll see you next week for another edition of West Coast Sporting Journal. Nootka Marine Adventures is now the largest resort operator on the west coast of Vancouver Island with 3 luxury resorts, the drive-to Mootka Bay Resort and the all-inclusive floating lodges Nootka Sound Resort and Newton Cove Resort, all lodges situated close to some of the best fishing grounds found anywhere on the west coast of Vancouver Island. Each resort offers unparalleled 5-star service with fully guided sport fishing. Nootka Marine Adventures, crafting your west coast wilderness experience.